Hey guys, Chelsea here from Making Manzanita, and in today's video, we're going to teach you how to load a caulking gun. So one of the most intimidating parts about caulking, I think, is figuring out how to use that gun, and that's why we're making that quick video today. All right, you want to start by taking your tube of caulking and cutting the tip of it at a 45-degree angle. You can either use a utility knife or a razor blade for this, but you want to try to cut just the very tip of that tube off. The further you go down on that tube for your cut, the more caulk is going to come out when you squeeze it, and it's just going to be a mess. There is a little tube cutter on the side of your caulking gun, so you can take a look at this, but usually we use a utility knife just because it's a cleaner cut and you have a little more control, but total personal preference. If you want to use the one on the side, that's fine. So most tubes of caulk have an inner seal that needs to be punctured before you start. So that little stick on the side of the caulking gun is what you use for that. You just open it up and then push the tube into it, and it'll break the seal on the caulk. And you'll see there's a bunch of caulk on that little stick, so you can just keep a rag with you and just wipe that clean once you're done. And then you can use you can put the tube of caulking into the canister of the gun, basically. So you just want to make sure, just put the bottom in first and then slide the top out. And then if you press the trigger, it'll push it into place so that it has a nice tight grip on the caulking. Now you can start using it. And to use the caulking gun, you just push the trigger and the caulk is going to come out. And if you need this caulk stop being pushed out of the tube, like if you need to take a quick break and pull it back, you can just pull back on the ratchet at the back of the gun to relieve the pressure. Or you could also use just like your spare hand to put a firm grip over the top of the caulk with your finger, and that will also help kind of hold that caulk in when you need to wipe it clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a short one, but I just wanted to show you really quickly how to load your caulking gun, because it can be kind of intimidating if you're doing it for the very first time. If you guys liked this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We share weekly DIY and renovating tutorials, and we have a lot more coming for you. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you next time.